just doing a little bit of shopping. I just realized I have not formally introduced this vlog. So, hi, welcome. Sugar-free, caramelicious cake bite, and it's cold. Alright, so I have a moment alone. We are currently at the gun range, and we're going to be shooting our guns, possibly renting a gun, not sure yet, but I forgot my glasses, so.
So as far as the guns with the stuff?
So I was editing this vlog and realized I never like closed the vlog, updated you or anything. I just left it at barbecue. Anyways, yesterday was a fun full day. We went to barbecue for dinner, and then Big Papa ended up getting a stomach ache, and so we just hung out for the rest of the night at home, watched a little football, and then I ended up sleeping for like 10 hours. So I am currently filming today's vlog. I plan on filming a little vlog for you every day. I just thought it would be easier than one giant vlog. So just every day a little vlog for you. So thank you so much if you're still here and watching. I really appreciate you. Be sure to come back later on because I have another one that's going to be going up this evening. So thank you for watching. I love you guys so much, and welcome to my new subscribers. I love you guys.